Hello everyone, today I will show you how to crossfade on Spotify. And here's how it's done. Open Spotify and navigate to either the home, search, or your library page. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Yours may look different depending on your name. Select Settings and Privacy, which will take you to the Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Playback. It should be the fourth option. Locate the crossfade setting. By default, it is set to 0 seconds, meaning there is no transition between songs. Adjust the slider by dragging it to your preferred duration, example, 5 seconds for a smoother transition. Now your songs will fade seamlessly into each other. Enjoy the enhanced experience. And that's everything you need to know about how to crossfade on Spotify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.